Hi, and now we are going to see one 2D drawing, uh, how to draw the complete 2D drawing. One example we are going to do. So you can see the drawing. This drawing we are going to do. We are going to use the all the command for making this drawing. Uh, So the drawing which is you are seeing in the screen, that we are going to make it now. A circle, and the first one is a circle. Um, Dia 54. Okay, accept this. And the next circle radius is 94 dia. 94. Okay. Then PCD radius is there. That we can draw 74. 74 dia it is. This 74 circle is a center line. If you want, you can change the property. That small PCD circle is there are 6 holes, 12 dia is there. So you can lock this and okay. So it's a 6 hole. You can rotate, transform, rotate. So select this. Okay, about the center point. There are 6 entities, but already we have drawn 5 only. 360 divided by 6, and the number of entities. If you keep 6 means one circle will overlap. So to avoid this, so you can make a 5. So I will give number of entities 5, and the old one is the original one is available. The angle becomes 60 only. Now up to here we have done. So what is left out is the bottom one. So it's two lines. It's a 30-degree apart. Now first we'll take the line command. So the top portion is over. Now I need to draw one line from the center. Angle is 30 degree. This 90 and 180, 270. Sorry, 270, 270 minus 30. Angle is the 270 minus 30. Okay, 240. Okay. Uh, so you can mirror it on the opposite side. Mirror this line about y-axis. Okay, this two line we have got it, and the center arc is 100 radius. So we can draw a center circle at 100 arc. So make it 100. So it's R and not diameter. So now we can take So another two radius we need to add. Okay, now I will divide it first. And selecting entire thing, I will make one smaller break. So after that, you can do what are the. So now we got the center point to draw both. So it's a 12 radius circle. So we can draw, accept. Next is the 23R. Okay. Now you can divide this. You need to extend this line so as to break completely. 10 mm I extended. Still more you can extend, no problem. So now you take the divide option, you can remove this. And the same shape need in the other side also. You can mirror it again, transform, mirror. These two things, okay. And it is made advice. Now we need to connect this thing. So we can make a 2 point circle. So you can go wireframe. Already you have a center point. Remove this lock and you start from there to this point and another line this point to the next circle bottom. So like this you can finish off everything. So now we can divide it, but unfortunately it is selecting everything. So we'll extend a little this angular line so that it will get intercept. Okay. Still it is taking no one. We'll make one break two pieces. So that will help you to divide smoothly. The reason for breaking is to easily use the divide option. Okay. And remove by dividing all these things. Okay. So all remaining things which are all not necessary, you can delete those things. These two lines is left out. So you draw one center line and offset this line. It's a 36 mm apart. So you can go offset. So select line offset 36 divided by 2. We can give for the direction. Then we need to draw this radius 9R and 10R. Elect radius 9 you can give. So you select these two line and this arc. But I don't want like this. I want that if you switch on trim entire thing remove. So I don't want to trim, just I remove the trimming option. Now we can make it 10 and you can select the top. So now we can don't want what are the things, that thing you can delete it. Now again trim option you can take. and you can divide this which is not necessary, and other lines you can delete it directly, select and delete now. Even the center line also not necessary, you can remove it. Okay, so we have drawn this, the same drawing we have drawn it now. The what is left out is the dimensioning. You can go drafting, and you can take small dimension. Directly you can go one by one, you start to dimension it. Just to extend this width, so radius you can give. So you goes on add the other dimensions. You want radius means just select the radius, you will get the R output there. I think most of the dimensions we have made it now. Even if you want the dimension lines color, we can keep it some other color. If we have removed the angular lines, so if at all you want angular dimension, you need to draw this line. We change the color, different color to the dimension line. We'll take very light colors, and you can draw this two lines so that you can show the angular dimension also. If at all you want rearrange the dimensions, you can rearrange. Uh, I'll draw one line for indicating the angular dimension. This line also comes under the construction line only, because it is not the uh, object line. So this two to be thin line, and it's a construction line. It should be a thin, and the color you can keep it. You can keep it some other color. So now we can angle. You can select it. So you can select, draw one line for the center line. We pick that now. So you can change the color and thickness of the that center line what you have drawn. So now we can select the drafting dimension, and from this line to this line we will get the angle. The other side also you can select, and get the angle now. Okay, so we have done this angular dimension also. This color is looking very dull. We can change all dimensions in some other color. And keep white or so you are free to change these colors whatever you want. Okay, this is one small example how to make a 2D drawing. Okay, so there are many drawing files you can take it. It's not that difficult. Any drawing book you can take and you can try these drawings. Thank you.